In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Hostinger IP address. Knowing your Hostinger IP address is crucial, whether you're setting up a new website or troubleshooting an existing one. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to access your Hostinger account. Open your favorite web browser and go to hostinger.com. You'll see the Hostinger homepage. Look towards the top right corner, you'll find the Login button there. Click it to access your account. Remember to enter your correct username and password. This is essential to proceed. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Hostinger dashboard, your central hub for managing everything website related. Now, carefully look for a tab usually labeled Hosting. This section lists all your hosting plans. Click on that tab. It's your gateway to finding your IP address. Now you'll see a list of your hosting accounts. Find the specific hosting plan for which you need the IP address. Next to the plan name, you'll see a button. It's usually labeled Manage or something similar. Click that button. This action takes you to a dedicated management page for that particular hosting plan. You're now in the management section of your chosen hosting plan. You should see options related to your hosting plan's configuration and details. Look for an option that says Plan Details or something very similar. Click on that. It'll open a more detailed view of your plan's specifications. Inside the Plan Details section, you'll find several pieces of information about your hosting setup. Look for something labeled Website IP Address, Server IP Address, or a similar designation. This will contain the crucial information we're looking for, your Hostinger IP address. Once you find it, you can copy it down or take a screenshot, whatever works best for you. And that's it. You've just learned how to easily locate your Hostinger IP address. This vital piece of information is essential for various tasks, from configuring your domain to troubleshooting technical issues. Remember to keep this IP address handy for future reference. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next one.